If you're craving double chocolate cookies but want a healthier version, you have to try these. They're honestly so easy to make that my 6-year-old made them almost completely by herself. And I am amazed by how good they turned out. Start by mixing melted coconut oil with coconut sugar. Add 1 egg and mix everything really well. Now add the dry ingredients right into the same bowl. Gluten-free flour, I used the one from Trader Joe's, baking soda, and unsweetened cacao powder. Mix until you have a thick chocolate cookie dough, then fold in the dark chocolate chips. Sugar-free ones work great here if you have them. Use a large cookie scoop to scoop 6 to 7 cookies onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Press them down slightly. And definitely wash your hands after touching the raw batter. Pop the tray in the fridge for about 10 minutes while your oven preheats to 350 degrees. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, then let the cookies cool completely. And that's it. Rich, soft, double chocolate cookies made with a few better-for-you ingredient swaps. And easy enough for kids to bake themselves. You really have to try these.